Welcome to the AI Generate tutorial. First, to AI Generate solutions, go ahead and click on the AI Generate button at the bottom center of your screen. Once you click on the AI Generate button, a set of quick concept cards will pop up on your screen. Take a moment to browse through the available quick concept styles and choose the one that suits your desired concept style. Some concept cards might not be available due to your lot size, as these concepts are predefined engines tailored for specific lot sizes. The styles available at the moment include multifamily with podium, wrap style, garden style, walk-up garden style, townhouse, single family and duplex, tower, multifamily and surface parking, and lastly, multifamily only type. Each card will let you know whether it's recommended or not based on the site area you've set up. This way, you can quickly spot which styles are most suitable for your current site. If the style you want is marked as not recommended, don't worry. Click the Custom Style option to resize your site boundary within your current site to suit your needs. Once you click on Quick Concept cards, you'll also have options to input target KPIs such as floor count, floor area ratio, and unit count. In the Unit Mix and Area tab, you can define the average size for each unit type, the percentage allocation for each type, and your balcony settings. If you'd rather define your unit width and depth completely from scratch, choose Typical Unit Setup to build your own layout. Here in the Corner Preference tab, you can fine-tune your corner preferences or decide whether or not you want to use only typical units. Finally, in the More Settings tab, you'll find extra building details you can adjust, such as core placement, building length, and parking options. The parking options are dependent on the style you choose. You can also navigate these same settings in the Custom Style option. Finally, click on the Generate button to create solutions with your inputs.